Hi everyone. If you use Spotify and found the perfect song, you might be wondering, can you use a Spotify song as your ringtone on a Vivo phone? In this video, I'll show you what is actually possible and explain everything step by step. First, I'll open Spotify and choose a song that many people would like to use as a ringtone. Then we'll check whether Vivo allows you to select a Spotify track directly from the ringtone settings. After that, I'll show you what happens when you try to change your ringtone on the Vivo. You'll see every step on the screen, so you can easily follow along on your own phone.